Hi, my name is Jason Koo, and today I'm going to bring you another trick on how to do unique count on pivot table. Okay, let's get started. Now, let's say you have a small mini database here, and you want to find the unique count of the customers. And what most people have done is take this customer base and do an insert pivot table. And let me put this inside here in A2. And we click OK. And what they do is they put the customer name in, and then they do a count of the customer name, and you notice there are 10 counts. But you notice that this customer has 2 counts. So effectively, there are actually only 9 customers. So how do they, what do most people do? They will usually take this item here, copy and create another database. Imagine that it's a huge database. And what they do here is they will change this one to customer name, and let's say this is account, and start to do another pivot table from here. Okay, and let's say I put it in row 16 here, and they put in the customer name, and then they do a count of the customer name again, and this time around they'll get 9, and they say, okay, my unique customers is 9. All right, so 1, 2, and 3 steps. So let me show you how I will have done it. I'll take this customer database, I go to insert pivot table, okay, and I will put it in the same location here. So I put it in this side now, and I click OK. So I get the database here, and what I do is same thing. I'll do a customer name here, and I'll do a customer count here, and I also get count, right? But in right here, you can actually do a right click, you go to summarize values by, go to more options, scroll down, and there is actually a distinct count here, and you can click OK, and straight away you'll get 9 customers. So this is the shortcut that I'm sharing with you today. Hope you have a good time, and see you again next time. I'm Jason from Everyday Excel Business Lab.